Okay, Ford Transit tow bar. Some advice. These bolts up here, that one and that one, that's the original bolts. They get really tight. One of the bolts on ours is broken, so I do replace that bolt. So we had to put some heat on it to get it out. So if you've got to change put a tow bar on your Mark 8 Transit, get it well lubricated beforehand. So what save you a lot of trouble. This is a Widder tow bar. That's on the near side. That's how it looks. Right, this is your Ford wiring. You've got grey wire, green wire. That's what you find behind the passenger step. But to get that out, you've got to take the grey one above there, which is the right pig to get out, and also take this plastic cover off the seat. And the wiring harness is PF Jones, and you've got your grey wire there and your green wire there, which corresponds with those down there. So hopefully all this is going to work out. All that lot is going to go through that hole there, that's going to come out, and it's got to go underneath the van all the way back to the tow bar. I'll show you the plastic bits. That's about it. Right, got to watch out for that peg. You've got to take the 3 screws out the step and lift all this up. What's trapping it when you try to lift it is that one. It goes in there. So you've got those 4 pegs and plugs to get out. That one is the side of the seat. That comes off fairly easily. Just one pull and that's off. Okay, I'll let you know if it all works.